Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a poem called Kar Chale Hum Fida and written by Kafi Azmi. I will tell you something very important about this song. This is not a poem, this is a song. Kafi Azmi written this song for one movie called Hakikat. This is black and white movie. It's very old movie. In this poem, Kafi Azmi is trying to tell the soldiers' feeling. While soldiers were fighting for their own country, what feelings they had that time. So he is telling about the soldiers' feeling, and the soldiers having some kind of expectation for their own countrymen. So the poem is all about that. Now we are going to start this poem. कर चले हम फिदा, कर चले हम फिदा, जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. Here that poet is telling about soldiers' feeling towards our country, towards our countrymen, what they have, their expectation towards them. So he is telling that soldiers were telling, कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों. जानो तन, फिदा मीन्स sacrifice, friend, जानो तन मतलब our life, and then हवाले means giving or something like handover, and वतन means country. So we sacrifice our life for you and our country, and because I am dying, that soldiers is saying, because we are dying, now your responsibility to take care of our country. These two lines meaning, now your responsibility to take care of it. We are giving our country to you, and now your responsibility to take care of our country. सांस थमती गई, नब्ज जमती गई, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया. We are fighting every second of our life for our country. Even our pulse were freezing. फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया. Our fighting spirit is still on. We are still fighting. We are in very extreme climate. We are suffering even though we are fighting for our country. These two lines meaning is this. कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं, सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया. हिमालय is a referring to our pride, the country pride. Himalaya is a pride of country. So then what he is saying, that we sacrifice our life for our country and we don't have any single regret for that. कोई गम नहीं, मतलब हमें, we don't have any regret. But we didn't allow the enemy to enter in our land or near to Himalayas. So he's telling, we didn't allow enemy to enter in our land in Himalayas. So he's telling, कट गए सर हमारे तो कोई गम नहीं. We sacrifice our life. We didn't have any regret for that. But we didn't allow any enemy to enter in our land. This is the meaning. Full meaning is this. मरते मरते रहा बागपन साथियों. बागपन मीन्स स्पिरिट और पॉजिटिव स्पिरिट, यू कैन से ब्रेवरी फीलिंग. तो मरते मरते रहा बागपन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. तो इवन वी आर डाइंग, आवर पॉजिटिव स्पिरिट, फाइटिंग स्पिरिट स्टिल ऑन. नाउ because we are dying, I am giving all my responsibility, or I am handing over my country to you. So you have to take care of our country. Second stanza. जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत हैं मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं. First we will understand this. There is many reason to live your life. जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं. It means but to sacrifice your life for your country, for your motherland, we won't get chance again and again. तो जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत है मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं. देर इज मेनी रीजन टू लिव योर लाइफ, बट सेक्रीफाइस योर लाइफ फॉर योर कंट्री, यू आर गेटिंग चांस वेरी लेस. हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे वो जवानी जो खून में नहाती नहीं. हुस्न और इश्क, हुस्न मीन्स होता है ब्यूटी एंड इश्क मीन्स लव. तो इन यूथ एज, young age, people were attracted with the husn and ishq, love and beauty and all. So here the poet is saying that husn aur ishq dono ko रुश्वा करे, that instead of wasting your time in behind this beauty and love, there is no use of this. If you stand and fight for your country, you did not sacrifice your blood for your country, there is no use. So you have to stand and fight for your country to protect your country. Or don't waste your time on beauty and love. तो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस 4 लाइन. अगर धरती बनी, आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. इट मीन्स एक्चुअली धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों मीन्स the blood which fell on the earth when the soldiers died, their blood fell on the earth. Our motherland was looking like a bride. Okay, and poet was thinking the motherland was look like a bride, and he told as it is the groom duty to protect the bride. It is the groom duty to protect the bride. It's also duty to save our motherland. So here they are earth. They are comparing earth as a bride, and the groom and soldier is like a groom, and the groom should protect our their bride. So it's a here they are saying आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों, that earth is like a bride and we should protect our bride. The groom is soldier and they are protecting their bride. तो अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. Now I am dying because of in war I am dying. You just take care, or you now your responsibility to take care your country. Now we are going to start this. राह कुर्बानियों की न वीरान हो, तुम सजाते ही रहना नए काफिले. राह कुर्बानियों की न वीरान हो, तुम सजाते ही रहना नए काफिले. कुर्बानी मतलब सेक्रीफाइस. तो सोल्जर, that here poet is saying, soldiers should always ready to sacrifice their life. If one group of army die in a war land, other group of army should always ready to fight. Okay, these 2 line is clear. फतह का जश्न इस जश्न के बाद है. विनिंग सेलिब्रेशन विल हैपन आफ्टर दिस सेलिब्रेशन. आफ्टर दिस सेलिब्रेशन मीन्स आफ्टर माई डेथ. तो फतह का जश्न इस जश्न के बाद है. फॉर विनिंग सेलिब्रेशन will happen after my death celebration. For soldiers, their death also is one kind of celebration. जिस जिंदगी मौत से मिल रही है गले. He is telling that my life is getting over. Jindagi, the maut, life is hugging a death. In this line, literary meaning is this: life is hugging to death. बांध लो अपने सर से कफन साथियों, बांध लो अपने सर से कफन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. बांध लो मतलब get ready to die or fight for your country, because I am giving my responsibility to you to protect our country. तो get ready to fight. कफन means होता है one kind of cloth. We are covering the body, covering the dead body. So that kafan is the last cloth of any person who die. So then he is telling that get ready to die. So kafan means get ready. Last cloth you keep in your, you just tie the last cloth in your head, and then get ready to fight for your nation. Last stanza. खींच दो अपने खून से जमी पर लकीर, इस तरफ आने न पाए न रावण कोई. मतलब रावण हियर दे आर रेफरिंग टू एनिमीज. तो खींच दो अपने खून से जमी पर लकीर. यू ड्रॉ अ लाइन ऑन द अर्थ विथ योर ब्लड. Enemy should not enter in your side, in your land, in your motherland. तोड़ दो हाथ अगर हाथ उठने लगे, छू न पाए सीता का दामन कोई. सीता is referring to mother earth. So here poet is saying, if any enemy is going to enter in your land, break their hand. तोड़ दो हाथ अगर उठने लगे. If their hand is trying to touch your land, or they are entering your land, you should break their hand. कि they should not touch our motherland. राम भी तुम ही लक्ष्मण हो. You are only Ram and you are only a Lakshman. Those Ram and Lakshman only protected Sita from Ravana. So then he is here, they are referring to you are only the Ram and you only Lakshman. They are telling to countrymen, you are only Ram and Lakshman to protect our motherland. अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों, I am giving my responsibility to you to protect our country.